Welcome back guys to the second video on flyers using Pixellab or designing them from scratch using Pixellab. So let's dive in. Let's just delete everything and go to our background size. So let's change the background size first to 650 to the standard image flyer size, 650 by 800, as I already told you or you are familiar with. So click on color. So let's go for white. Let's go for solid color and choose white. Okay, here it is. The next thing I will simply do is create your shapes portion. You can see it here. Okay, so let's change the color first. Click on this plus. Okay, just move your hand to this blue or red something. Okay, red something. You can see the red background here, so just make it dark using the middle icon. You can see this is for making it dark. So we have made something here. Without saving it, just enlarge it using your hand. Okay, just enlarge it using your hand or stretch it. Okay, just enlarge it or stretch it. Okay, so just click on go. So from here you can close it or you can lock it. Just lock it, and the next thing we will do is click on this sticker. Okay, after clicking on sticker, as I told you the rule, just tap any place on the screen. Just tap any place on the screen. So now we increase the size of this sticker. Okay, so without wasting of time, we now scroll to this color. Just go to the color portion. Okay, so select, click on this plus again. So instead of it will automatically start from here. Okay, so just select the light color. Okay, the light color red. After selecting the light color red, just place on tick. Like you will be seeing something like a fading light, a fading background, but I just started teaching us this from the basics, whereby I will later on teach us how we can make gradient background and gradient color. So you can see this is just like a sample of gradient color with just two color. Okay, so the next thing I will do is I will lock it also so that it won't move at all. It won't move. So the next thing I will do is I will just click on shape again. So just reduce the size, make it a line, just a line. Okay, so let me take it down a little bit again. Okay, so just take it down. So just change the color also to dark red. Okay, so let me move it a little bit this side. Okay, you can see what we make. So from here I can start even writing my text. I have copied all the texts I need in this flyer, so I don't want the video to be long, so I will just be pasting them. Okay, I will just be posting them. So let me click on new text. Where are they safe? We have where you choose us. Okay, no, before even that I need to start with the subject. Okay, I need to start with the subject of this flyer. Okay, let's go. On this I write Deborah. Let's capitalize it and increase the size of this Deborah. Let's make it 100. Okay, so let's change the color to white. Okay, let's also make it bold. So we need to duplicate this Deborah. We have copied it. Click on edit. Let's write restaurant or eatery. Restaurant or eatery. It is almost the same thing. So I think let's go for the eatery. So just take it here. So we now come back to this text we have written first. So why you choose us, let's reduce the size of why we choose us, this text. Let's make it 35. Okay, let's change the color to white. Hope you are following. Let's make it bold and click on this font to make a custom font. So let's use this Arial. Okay, we have chosen this Arial. So let's now move on to our text background. Okay, enable it, increase the left fading. Let's make it 15. Okay, the right fading also, let's give it 15. Okay, top and bottom, let's make it 5.5, and the radius, let's also make it 15. so we can see what we make. So we duplicate it because we will be needing them. Okay, so let me copy it. Let me just place one here and copy it and place the other one here. So let me edit them one by one. Let's edit this first one. Let's cite our services, and this one let's edit it with let's edit it, sorry. So let's go and also change our special offer. Okay, special offers on. So these are the three texts we will be giving them. So to add them, we click on this text, that is new text. Let's edit them. Let's go for first time, like let's edit all. Why you choose us. Here is the context for why you choose us. So let's reduce the size. Let's make it them 30. Okay, let's change the color to white. Let's change the font to let's say Nevis. This Nevis, you can see it here. So we need to be copying it also and be using it as where our services fall. Copy another one and let's keep them here because I want both the font to be uniform. So let's edit it. Let's delete this one. So we have list of services, here are they. Also let's keep them. Okay, let's edit this special offer also. Let's delete this one. I also have my ready-made first time list. So I hope you all see how we made this simple texts. Okay, so let me just take this a little bit off. Okay, I'm just like aligning them. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is I'll go to my gallery. This is the first one. I will be using it also. So let me reduce the size and place it. It is for prices. Okay, I'll be writing the price on it. So let me also import my spaghetti because I'll just be using it as a sample. Okay, let me reduce the size also. Okay, let's keep it here. So let me just start adding up text. Let's write 3K. Let's increase the size of this 3K. Okay, let's change the color to black because the default color is gray. Okay, so let's make it bold, and I think we can change the font also. Let's make it Roboto regular. Okay, so this is like the price per plate of this restaurants or eatery. Okay, so the next thing I will be adding my contact section. Contact us to place your order. So here it is also. Let's reduce the size. Let's make it 35. Okay, so let's change the color to black. You can make it bold, and the font should be Nevis. You can see Nevis here. So, but let me I have to shift this. I have to shift this line. Okay, because like it used to block. Just tap on it, and then go to your position. Just move it. You can see what I just did. So let me add my phone numbers. 0 plus 234 9121 52 4809. Okay, this is my first number. Let's change the color also to black. and make it bold. Okay, let me reduce the size to 30, or let's keep it to 35 also. Just duplicate it and let me write my other number. Plus 234 9066 92 9110. Okay, so these are my numbers. The next thing I will write is the address of the E3. I already have it also here, so I just paste it. So also let's take it, reduce the size, let's make it 30. Okay, scroll to the place where you saw a line, just click on the middle one. Okay, so let's change the color to black, and let's change the font to Arial. Okay, you can see Arial here, and I think I have to reduce the size again. Let's make it 25. Okay, so let me lock this spaghetti so that it won't be giving me problem. Okay, so the next thing I will do is I will be importing. Before that, let me click on this shape, make it circle, reduce the opacity. Just look at what I am doing. Reduce the opacity, scroll down to this stroke and increase the stroke to about 10. Okay, so now scroll down again and change the stroke color to white. Okay, after changing it to white, just click on tick to apply the changes. Okay, so now let's watch what I will do. Okay, let me reduce it a little bit. Just watch what I will do. Okay, watch what I will do. I will now be going to my eraser. Okay, you can see eraser here. You can also eraser. Click on eraser. I want to erase some fat. Increase this. You can see, just increase it because we'll be using it. Just erase this some parts. Erase some part. Erase some part. Erase some part. Erase some part. Okay, you can see I've erased how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5. So you need to erase all these parts in order to make something like something beautiful or something nice from this design. Okay, you can see it's now like amazing. It's amazing. Like actually it's amazing. It's amazing. So next thing I would like to do is I will import some. Okay, let me use this spike like a dribbling man. Okay, so let's take it, let's use it. All right guys, just reduce the size of this delivery man and let's keep it here. Okay, so let me import some logos like this. So now scroll to the place where you saw erase color. You can see erase color here. Just erase the white color, enable it, and it will automatically erase. Now you know there are two ways of erasing like this type of color. You can either use the application to remove background, or you can just use it, but you can't remove image background or like picture background from this. So let's change it to red. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is I'll import another logos. Let me crop this. Okay, let's also erase the white, increase the tolerance. Let's change the color also to red. So let's take it here. Hope you are following. So let me add another one. So also let me crop it. Okay, let's also erase the white color. So we need to change the color. Also let me reduce the size. Note, if you can't edit it when it is small, just go to your relative size. You can see relative size here. Just tap on it and know the height, and let's make it 5 by 5. Okay, So the other one also we need to make it 5 by 5. This is 5 by 4, so let's make it 5 by 5. So you can see now they are all 5 by 5. So let's take this one, close to this, also close. And the next thing I'll do is just import some fancy, like just ellipse or something. So let me just add them. Okay, so I just want this to go to your erase color and erase the black. Just tap on this clicker, then move your hand to the place where you want, or the color you want to remove. You can see I just want to remove this black, and because of the blackish at the side of the lips, so I will be increasing tolerance so that all of it will be removed. Okay, so I will now take one here, just take one here. Let's copy it, duplicate it, and let's make you just the other one here. Okay, so let me import another one. Okay, let's use this. This just will be with file design, and with this we can now save this flyer because we are done.